Today I came up with a completely new video about image views in SwiftUI. For example, as you can see, it's a new empty project, and here we have a system image globe, right? So let's remove this, and let's foreground color, remove this, and let's make like set another image. And for example, okay, so what we are going to discuss here, so we are going to discuss about system images and external images in Swift UI. So for example, if we open SS symbols, and okay, so let's add an image. For example, let's add, okay, let's add this one, tray. And let's go back here, and let's see, and this tray. Okay, you can see it made like this. Now let's remove this thing, and let's make it resizable, and let's frame it. Okay, so 100. Okay, so this is how system images work. Now let's add some real-time images. For example, I add a image. So let's import some image. So for importing an image, you need to go to assets folder, and here you can import like this, from this plus import, and import, let's import a few things, and another thing, import another thing, and import another thing. Okay, so good. Okay, so we have imported so far some images. For example, this one, and this one. Okay, so let's rename these to TV1, sorry, TV1, and this one, let's remove it to TV2, and let's TV3. So TV3, right? TV1 to 3. Now let's go to content view, and let's remove this, and let's add an image, and simply call the TV1. Okay, so TV3 and TV2. Okay, so let's resize it. So dot resizable, and dot content mode dot fill. Okay, so you can see the image is now displaying as it is. Now if we make it like fill, it will fill. Okay, let's fit. Now let's resize it to so frame white. Okay, now let's see what happens. Yes, so let's add some more images here. One, and okay, now let's add the images in a view. So let's add some TVs here. So extract television identifiable var id is equal to UI ID, var name string image, and var description not needed, so var brand string and var price double. Okay, now let's add an state variable of this television array, private var television, so led. Okay, this is good. Expected. Okay, so expected array. Okay, now let's go here and remove these things. Let's add text televisions dot font, just title should be fine, and we bold this, right? So bold. Now let's see the magic and list for each. Okay, so yes, now image vstack alignment. Okay, here what should we do? H stack image, and then link. All right, and break for each. Okay, so now let's remove this padding. All right, okay, so H stack and vstack vstack, and here text television name and font headline, then television the brand and sub headline. Okay, and then another spacer, and then we are going to show the price. So price. Wow, great. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is showing like this. So here we are showing an image and the television name, brand, and the price. So let's run this. Yeah, but somehow it's showing like this. But for me, I think somehow this. Okay, so let's navigation link. What about if we comment out this and if we comment out navigation link? How will it work? Yes. Okay. Yes. Now they are showing good, but let's add this. Now let's put them into a navigation stack. So navigation stack, navigation stack. Now within vstack. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, so as you can see, we added an image for each of the television with price and brand and some other details. Now let's add some description and let's see how the details let's add var image, sorry, var description string. Okay, let's add some descriptions for each of those and fix description. Okay, and here also let's add description here. For example, description. All right, here also let's add a description. Let's fix description. Let's generate by AI. Sony Bravia. So okay, so descriptions are also available now. So let's create a view. Let's create a new view called extract details view, some view television, and then var body some view, and then okay, now let's add text, television name, font title, bold, and then again television dot brand, or sub headline secondary, and then price, and then description. Okay, and what should we do? Padding, so leading. Okay, spacer. Good. Now let's add here details view. So destination, so details view, details view. All right, so let's run this. What happened? Okay, build succeeded. Okay, now you can see we added some small images here for each of the brands, and now if we click there they will show in large. So for example, this is Samsung QLED, Samsung brand, and the price and the description as we added here, small details. And if we go back and if we want to see LG OLED, it is also showing the image like this and brand and like this. And if you go to Sony Bravia, it shows like this, right? So this is a very basic uses of how the image work in SwiftUI. So let's see this program in light mode as well. So in settings, let's go to dark appearance, and let's make it off, and let's go to Swift UI and image Swift. Okay, so now you can see this is the light mode, very basic example. And if we again make it, sorry, settings, dark appearance. Okay, yes. So let's add some more here, some more televisions here, and let's see how the more televisions will look like with some more images. Okay, and let's television Philips and okay, so separator. Okay, so let's download some more. For example, mm, which images we added. So TCL and Philips, Panasonic, Sharp, PCL TV. So PCL TV. Okay, so let's download them all. Save image, save, and some more images. Save image, save, some more image, save. All right, so let's import now in assets, and let's import this one. So let's call it tv5 tv tv4 tv4, then plus import tv5 tv5, and let's import tv6. Let's 6 import tv7 tv7, and let's import tv8 tv8. Okay, so let's go to content view, and here tv4. So where is the tv? 4 5 6 7 8, and here again tv1 and tv2. Let's see. So syntax error. So where is the syntax error? Fix. Yes, let's run it. Fix. Okay. Yeah, there are a lot of tvs, and let's see. And we can see here lot of tvs like this and these things. Okay, and these things. So this was the basic example of image views in SwiftUI. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.